Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen.
Here are my ingredients, guys, and I will be making this yummy, delicious, mouth-watering vegan dish, curried jackfruit. At the end of this video, you will find all the measurements that I used today in this recipe. So here's the jackfruit, and I brought this jackfruit straight out of Jamaica. Yes, my country, Jamaica, land we love. So here is the jackfruit, and I went ahead and I seasoned it with a little bit of all-purpose Maggi seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, and a little pinch of parsley. So let's get straight into it.
Carla's Kitchen CC, clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
Look at this curried jackfruit, so yummy, smells so good, guys. And you can have this with sweet potato, boiled dumpling, boiled banana, sweet yams, rice, whatever you like. Be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Share this video out, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, touch the notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. Thank you so much for your support. Love you guys.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, yeah, yeah.